back over here. You want to give them some more bread? Give them some more bread. Oh, what did you find? What is it? What is that? A shell. Wow. Where does that shell go? In the water? Okay, are you going to put it back in the water? Good job. It goes over there? Okay, throw. Good job. Oh my, look at all those birds. Bye-bye, birds. Bye-bye, birds. Stand back. Don't get too close to the water, please.
Here's one. You want to do some more bread? Are you going somewhere else to Here, don't go too close to the edge.
If you chase after the birds, they get scared and fly away. But if you give them bread, they like you and they stay.
You want some more bread? Don't go too close.